Yeah, only faausi. If you want me to cook the faausi, show you how to make it, show you the ingredients. I'm not gonna do this set up fancy stuff. I just wanna show you how to cook it in a normal way, like when you cook at home for your family, and show you the ingredients, how, you know, but it's really yummy. This is one of our best traditional food. It's called faausi. I'm gonna write it on the title. Faausi, FAAUSI. I don't wanna wait for anyone to come on because I have something to do. I'm gonna do something in a few minutes. So I'm just letting you all know what I'm eating for lunch. It's not really for lunch, it's more for dessert. You can have it anytime between meals. You can have for breakfast, for after dinner. Yeah, it's very you burn the sugar, that's why it looks brown. But it's tapioca. Um, but the one I'm gonna show you is made out of papaya. This, this is tapioca. Uh, mm. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm having lunch. I'm having a wrong food for lunch because I was craving for it. But, hi. No, Mexico food. No, it's Samoan food in the Pacific. Samoa is in the Pacific, but I'm doing this live from Australia. I live in Australia. Hi, everyone. I know, I'm having lunch, and I'm not supposed to have this for lunch. I'm supposed to have something, maybe a sandwich or something else. This is more for dessert, between meals. It's more like a snack. But because it's so yummy and nice, we just have it anytime. You know why it's brown? We burn the sugar and add coconut cream. Let me know who wants to. I think it's better to make it, and then I will post it so you know. The ingredients is you will that you can find this everywhere. Mm. 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 So nice. It's shining. So I'm gonna make it's called faausi. Faausi. F for Fred, double A for apple, U for umbrella, S for Sam, I for India. So faausi. I don't know if there's an English name for it because it's a Samoan food. It's a traditional food. Every Samoan, even the kids who born overseas, um, never been to Samoa, they fight over this. That's if their moms or their dads knows how to make it. But I'm gonna make it, and then I have a cooking. I just started my cooking channel last week. So I cook all my simple food and put it there. Thank you everyone. Yeah, it looks nice, but I wish you can taste it. I'm not teasing you, I'm just showing it off. Yeah. So I'm gonna make it. I will post it so you can try. Everyone can make this. It's just some people don't want other people to know how to make it. But I will show it. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Your names are so hard for me to pronounce. And please subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. I've been trying for 2 years. I don't make videos every day. I make videos like once or twice a week. Because I'm always busy, I'm a grandma. I help a lot with my grandchildren, but they don't live here. So today I'm free. Yeah. So that's why I've tried 2 years to get my 1,000 subscribers. I'm still under. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I eat very fast, look. So don't forget, my cooking channel I just started. It's called Cooking with Floral. Cooking with Floral. So I'll make this and post on that channel, not this one. Okay? But subscribe to this channel. What's the time? It's the time here, it's 2:30 p.m. I can see someone laughing. Why you are laughing? Because my channel is still small after 2 years. So if you wanna restart the video, I'm gonna just post it. But I'm gonna go because I know I'm trying to be funny up here if I don't have anything useful to say. I wish I can email this. I can email it to everyone. This one. Finished. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, I'm gonna make this and post on the cooking channel, not this channel. Okay, I'm gonna take my last one and then I'll say goodbye. Yeah, that's what happened when people laugh at me. Okay, thank you so much. Mwah, mwah. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Thank you. Bye. Bye, everyone.